Hello friends, I welcome you to this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be opening your eyes to a very powerful strategy which I've actually created, which I'm using to make a lot of money in the market. Remember, with this particular bot indicator, you can use this particular strategy to generate $50 to $1,000 on daily basis. The reason why you can generate such high amount of profit on daily basis is because this particular strategy, if you apply it, you can, in Bybit and Binance, there are very big thousands of coin which you can find in it on daily basis. There are thousands of coins. So whenever you find a coin that is at this particular zone, you can use it to make a lot of money. Let me show you what I'm actually talking about here. When you take a look at this particular place, you will see this is a sell sign here. This is a sell indicator. This is a sell, and over here again you can see there is another one here which is buy. Okay, you can use this particular strategy both on spot trading, future trading, or you can use it both spot trading and future. But for me, I focus on spot only. Okay, so you can see that actually this is a buy signal here. This thing you are seeing here is a buy. Okay, so you can see that immediately this particular both indicator shows a sign of buy. You can see what actually happened. It went serious up here. You can use this particular strategy to make thousands of dollars. I'm telling you, if you want to know more about this particular both indicator, make sure you join my VIP group, because I'm going to be giving this particular both indicator for free for people that are in my VIP group. Okay, so let me also show you another one over here. You can just take a look at this particular indicators over here. You can see where this thing happened again. Over here it shows a sign of buy, and what happened, it went up. Then over here again it shows a sign of selling, and it went down, extremely down. Okay, this is how this particular indicator. Let me show you another place where this indicator perfectly work again. Remember, this coin that I'm using to share this thing is called Troy. Most of you guys know a coin that is called Troy. Okay, you can see Troy is in a Binance trading view. Okay, most of you know trading view. You can get it on Play Store. Okay, so you can, the one good thing about this particular strategy is that it's not must that you will start waiting for that coin to come to your zone. What you do is that you go and search. There are thousands of coin in the market. You go and search for another coin. Okay, you can see it happen here again. It went up, and look at it happen here again. It went down. Okay, but I will tell you the best time for you to use this particular indicator. Okay, over here you can see that there is something like look like two here and another two. That is the right time to do what, to use this particular indicator. Also remember, I'm not a financial advisor. What I'm sharing with you guys here is how I make money in the market. Okay, so make your own do research before you dive in. Okay, and if you want to join my VIP group for you to start getting updates like this and daily signal, it costs only but 20 USDT for you to join us. Okay, so let me select another coin and let's see what actually happened. You can see again over here, you can see over here when this particular signal came again from here, it went extremely up, and you can see it came again and it went extremely down. Okay, so we are going to search for another coin and see if this thing actually happened in that particular coin. Okay, how we can take advantage of it. So once you have applied for this particular in both indicator, the next thing for you to do is to search for the token you want to do what you want to trade. So over here, let's go to Binance and search for another coin. Okay, so this is my Bybit, okay, instead of Binance. So there are thousands of coins token here, okay. You can focus on these top gainers, okay. Any of them you feel like there is Flocky, just like this one, Flocky, okay. So let's go and search for Flocky and see if there is opportunity. This is how you make money on daily basis. So you search for a coin that have gone up or have gone down, so that you can be able to get that particular, so that that signal indicator will be at your zone. Let me show you what I mean over here. So right now let's search for Flocky, okay. The one we just saw now, Flocky. Is it Flock? Okay, so you can see this is Flock on Bybit. They are already showing you a sign that this particular coin is on Bybit. Okay, so let's go and enter this particular one. Okay, so now you can see, let's reduce this. Okay, so you can see over here, you can see what actually happened, that there is this particular place over here. You can see it show a sign of that uptrend which you are seeing right away. You can see that. So this particular strategy is number one, top notch. I don't share it out or like that, okay. So if you want to get it, make sure you join my class, okay. So now let's see over here how this coin have performed over here. So over here, let's see what actually happened, okay. So for today, okay, so over here you can see that when this particular coin have pumped to the upside down, which is it gave the first signal. This is remember, I'm using 5 minutes time frame, okay, and this particular time frame that you are using here is the same the one you will use on maybe your Bybit or your Binance, any of them that you are using. So in this 5 minutes time frame, make sure you are always using a shorter time frame, like 5-10 minutes, so you can find out that there was immediately this thing gave a signal of buy. That was when the market started going up in Bybit. But you can find out that over here there was a time you were seeing 2 and you now see 3, okay. So for sport, this is the right time, and you can see that immediately give this signal, it went up from where it went from 0.42 to 0.45, okay, sorry, 48. That was where it headed to, okay. That was from 0.42 to 0.48. That's a good profit. So when do you exit this particular market? Okay, you don't wait for indicator to show you, okay. For me, I have mapped out a very best time or percentage of profit you need to take, and you move out from the market, look for another coin and trade, okay. If you are doing this on daily basis, you will always be highly profitable. In fact, I've done it several times, and I was very profitable, to the extent that it seems as if Bybit began to monitor my trades, okay. Immediately they began to monitor my trade, I have to move out from that Bybit to Mexi, okay, because I was highly profitable, okay. So now see over here again, immediately it came to this particular zone, it also show a sign of downtrend, okay. Remember, if you are using 5 minutes in your exchange, you must use 5 minutes over here. So let's look for another token right away. So this is my Binance, and over here let's look for this particular token, which is MS star, okay, because I'm looking for buying opportunity. I need to look for a coin that have gone deep. So this is M star, okay, M star. Let's go to my trading view and see M star, okay. So this is M star. So you can see this is M star. So what do? I click the M star. So let's see. This is M star. So we go down to where the market is right now. So you can see that right now the market have extremely gone down. Okay, you can see over here it says sell, and the market was actually a big selling over here. So this, if you have short the market, you would have short from this particular place, which is 0.00061, and now it head to 0.00055. That's a big profit, my brother. Okay, so now what I will be waiting for is another sign that will appear over here. Okay, I will now wait and monitor this particular coin. Once there is a buying sign, it will give you the signal before it will move to the other side. So I'm waiting over here to see when there will be this kind of a green button here for me to do what, to go all in buying. Remember, me personally, I will be focusing on I am only focusing on spot, okay, not future. Okay, yes, the reason is because I want to accumulate much more money. Okay, because in future is always charging you fee per hour. In future they will charge you 0.50% of your capital, okay, for them to give you that leverage, which is extra money that you are using to trade. Those extra money that you are using to trade, they are actually charging you fees for you to do what, to carry them out in any exchange that you are actually using. So this is where I will stop for today. If you want to know more, make sure you contact me. My contact details is down below this video. Peace out.